The Health Careers Opportunity Program, HCOP, identifies and recruits and supports pre-health students here at Fresno State with the ultimate goal of supporting the students into successful matriculation into health professional and allied health graduate programs.
Fresno State is my home. I have a family, I have a community here that's pushing for my success, and I want to make them proud and I want to make the change. And I think that it's going to take more than just my time here at Fresno State to make that change. And so in my future and going to medical school, I want to, come back to Fresno and be that change.
Being able to address the health professional shortage needs that we have in the San Joaquin Valley is something that we really need to focus on in order to address the current needs, but also the future needs as our valley continues to grow in population and in diversity. And so we need to make sure that we continue to support our students, because we know that students that are from the valley are more likely to return and practice in the valley.
Prior to HCOP, I really had no idea what I wanted to do career-wise. I enjoyed sciences, I enjoyed math, I loved chemistry in high school, and so that's what I decided to major in. So I declared that from day one. I stuck with that major. But through HCOP, it really created an environment for me to kind of explore different career options with respect to the healthcare field. And one of the things that I got involved in from day one when I joined the program was a research/mentorship program between the HCOP program and physicians at UCSF Fresno. And through that program, I was able to connect with a mentor who was a physician in the community. Prior to that, I had never thought about medicine, but through that mentorship-mentee relationship, I developed a strong interest in medicine. And at that point, I realized what my calling in life was, and that was to become a physician, and I never looked back after that.
If there's someone that we can reach that is, passionate about helping people, which I think for both of us, that's definitely one of our passions, in giving back and contributing to the health of a community, by sharing our experiences. If that helps someone make a decision that, yes, I want to do this, then we're all for it. We're always all for it. For some people, and I think especially for like Renee and I, we didn't have any medical professionals in our family or any doctors in our family to really give us the lowdown about applying and to be able to be that for someone else, especially these kids from the rural communities. It's so important to us.
You never know whose life you can change with friendly words and sincere smile.
As a first-generation college student, immigrant farm working background, being the first in my family to venture off to a four-year college, being the first in my family to graduate from high school, it was a big step for the family. And I think in being able to connect with HCOP, it was crucial in my education journey. I don't think I would have been able to really complete my undergraduate career and go on to graduate school without the support of the program.
I think Fresno State instills with you a sense of community, and I think that stays with you throughout your journey of your career. And at some point, I think you reach that point where you're like, it's my time to give back and continue to contribute to the community. So I think we're both at that point where we want to give back, we want to help others that just like we were helped at that stage.
To me, the HCOP office means opportunity. It means networking, and it means connections. And I think it means just an opportunity to better yourself, and HCOP really helped me get through college. It's really hard when you're a first generation student to know what move to make and where to go for this resource and that resource. And HCOP is one of a kind because it provides so many resources and all of these connections to me as a student, and it just makes me really tearful.